Magandang araw mga bata! Ako si Ma'am Regine, ang teacher mo sa math. Today we will be learning about measuring quantities. This is a lesson for Grade 7 Mathematics, Quarter 2, Lesson 1 to 2. Kaya tara na, and let's do the math. Another quantity is temperature. It refers to the measure of the hotness or coldness of an object or substance with reference to some standard value. Ang ating measuring tool para sukatin ang temperature ay ang thermometer. This one is a digital thermometer. Before this, meron din tayong thermometer na may mercury sa loob. Hindi na siya masyadong ginagamit kasi prone siya na mabasag at yung mercury sa loob nun ay delikadong substance para ma-intake ng mga tao. Aside from this, may ginagamit din tayong thermal scanner. All these measure temperature. At dito sa Philippines, sanay tayo na ginagamit natin na unit of measure for temperature ay Celsius. Ito ay under ng metric. Pero aside from that, we also have Kelvin and Fahrenheit for English system. This is the temperature scale conversions. We have Kelvin, degree Celsius, and degree Fahrenheit. Mag-start tayo sa human body temperature. Ito yung ating normal na temperature. Sa Kelvin, 310.15. Sa Fahrenheit, 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Pero masanay tayong gamitin ang Celsius sa Philippines. Kaya, pag tayo ay kumukuha ng temperature using a thermometer at 37 ang lumabas, this is our normal body temperature. Pwedeng mas bumaba dito, like 35, 36, okay lang yun. Pero pag lumagpas na ng 37, 37.1 pataas, meron ng lagnat, may fever na yung isang tao. Next, punta naman tayo sa boiling point of water. Kukulo ang tubig kapag ang temperature sa Kelvin ay 373.15. Sa Fahrenheit naman kapag 212 degrees Fahrenheit. At kapag Celsius, dapat 100 degrees Celsius siya. Magsa-start ng kumulo yung tubig kapag 100 degrees Celsius na yung kanyang temperature. At mas mainit siya kung mas mataas yung ating temperature. For freezing point of water naman, magsisimulang mag-freeze ang water kapag 0 degrees Celsius siya. Ang katumbas niya ay 273.15 sa Kelvin at 32 degrees naman sa Fahrenheit. Yung tatlo na dapat nating tatandaan. Aside from that, we also have room temperature. Ito yung kanyang mga sukat. And absolute zero. Word problem under temperature. The recipe for a certain cake to be baked in an oven calls for a 475 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. If your oven is set in degrees Celsius, what should be your temperature setting? Meron tayong three most known units under temperature. We have Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. So itong una nating formula is used for us to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Dito sa ating word problem, ito ang ating gagamitin dahil from Fahrenheit, hinihingi ng word problem na i-convert ito sa Celsius. So we can use either this, 5/9, ito yung kanyang fractional part, or this one, 0.56. Saan nanggaling ang 0.56? Ang 0.56 ay nanggaling sa 5 divided by 9. So, pareho lang naman sila. Ito namang pangalawa nating formula is for converting the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Pareho lang din ito. Itong 1.8 ay galing naman sa 9 divided by 5. And Celsius to Kelvin. So, if we have the value for Celsius, just add 273 and Kelvin na yun. But in this case, we're being asked to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we'll be using this. I will personally use this conversion factor kasi mas madali siya. This is the formula that we will be using. Degree Celsius is equal to 0.56 multiplied to the difference of the value of degrees Fahrenheit, which is 475 and 32. Following GEMDAS, we need to perform the operation that are grouped together, yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is 475 minus 32, bago tayo makapag-multiply kay 0.56. 475 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 is 434. 434 multiplied to 0.56, ang sagot ay 248.08 degrees Celsius. So from Fahrenheit, mawawala na siya, magiging degree Celsius na yung kanyang unit. Therefore, the cake must be baked in an oven at 248.08 degrees Celsius or simply 248 degrees Celsius. Kasi yung mga oven naman, usually naka-whole number sila, wala silang decimal. So, pwede na 248 degrees Celsius. So, ito na yung ating sagot dito sa word problem. But say for example, the word problem is asking for Kelvin. Gagamitin natin itong formula na ito. Since we already have the value for Celsius which is 248.08 degrees Celsius, pwede na natin siyang dagdagan lang ng 273 para makuha natin yung Kelvin which is 521.08 degree Kelvin. Another word problem, convert 37 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. So from degrees Celsius, kailangan natin siya i-convert to Fahrenheit. We will be using this conversion factor, itong formula. I'll be using this, yung naka-decimal point, kasi mas madali siya for me. The formula is degrees Fahrenheit equals to 1.8 multiplied to 37 degrees Celsius, then add 32. Una natin gagawin, according to GEM-DAS-I, mag-multiply muna dahil multiplication comes before addition. So, 1.8 multiplied to 37 ay 66.6 and then add 32, 98.6. Ang ating unit na ay degrees Fahrenheit, hindi na siya Celsius. Ano lang tayo magko-convert ng 1 unit of temperature to another. We'll just have to follow the formula. And that's it for our video for today mga bata. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, ang Teacher Mo sa Math, for more grade 7 mathematics contents. And please also keep on liking and sharing our videos para mas marami pa akong mga grade 7 na bata na tulad mo ang maabot at maturuan dahil ako si Ma'am Regine, ang Teacher Mo sa Math.